Hi students, today in part B, solved problems, very short questions. Whole chapter in one problem. If you understand this problem, you can do very short questions, essay questions and also IIT Foundation and Olympiad problems. Now, what is the problem? We have x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5. Then find equation of straight line. Find the midpoint of the straight line. Find the points of trisection. Next question. Write the type of triangle formed by straight line and coordinate axis and justify your answer. Next. Find the centroid of the triangle. Next. Show that the centroid divides the median in 2:1 ratio. Next. Find the area of the triangle. We have many methods to find the area of the triangle. We have to find the area of the triangle in different methods. Now, what is the problem? X-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5. Then find. First we have to find the equation of the straight line so that we can do the problems very easily. Now, what is the solution? First you have to draw the x and y axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Y-axis and this is x-axis. Now first you read the problem. X-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5. X-intercept means horizontal distance. For x-intercept y will be 0. This distance you take 4 means this point will be, I will write x-axis here so that it is very easy for us to understand the problem. This point will be 4, 0. And y-intercept is 5 means this distance will be 5. Y-intercept means it intersecting y-axis at 0, 5. Take this is point A and this is point B. And this point will be O, that is origin 0, 0. Now join A and B. You will get a straight line which is passing through 0, 5 and 4, 0. Now we have to find the equation of straight line. Now first one we will take equation of straight line. First we will find the equation of straight line. See, I will rub the board so that it is very easy to understand the problem. Now equation of straight line. Equation of straight line will be in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. If it passes through origin, the equation of straight line will be y is equal to mx. You have only one form, but you have different forms. Y is equal to mx plus c, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. M into x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1. All these formulas will come from only y is equal to mx plus c. We have only one type of straight line, only one equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. You have intercept form also, that is also equation of straight line, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, that is intercept form, that also equation of straight line. All equations come from y is equal to mx plus c. If you want to understand, this is y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx because it passes through origin. This will be y is equal to mx plus c. It passes through 0, c. If c is 0, then it passes through 0, 0. Therefore, the equation of straight line which passes through origin will be y is equal to mx. Is a straight line. This is also a straight line. That's why you have only one form of equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. If c is 0, it passes through origin. Now, equation of straight line will be in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Here x and y represent every point, infinite points on the straight line. M is the slope of the line, C is y-intercept, that is 5. y-intercept is 5. If you have to find slope of the line, and next y-intercept we will find. 2 points are given. What is the slope of the line? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If it passes through origin, what is the slope? You take a point xy here. This distance is y and this distance is x. Slope m, that is tan theta, is equal to y by x. If this is theta, what is the slope of the line? Y by x. Because opposite side by adjacent side is tan theta. That also I will write opposite side by adjacent side. Now, what is the slope of the line when 2 points are given? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now, what is y2 minus y1? 0 minus 5 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 0 minus 5 by 4. What is the slope of the line? M is equal to minus 5 by 4. And what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept will be 5. That is represented by C is equal to 5. Substitute the values of slope and y-intercept in that equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. You will get the equation of the straight line. Now, y is equal to x and y represent infinite points on the straight line. Now, y is equal to, what is the m here? Minus 5 by 4 into x plus c. What is this? What is y-intercept? 5. Y is equal to minus 5x by 4 plus 5. I will take LCM here. 4, you will get minus 5x plus 4 5s are 20. Now, it can be written as 4y is equal to minus 5x plus 20. Always remember, if a straight line is, if you want to write a straight line, it should be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have to write the equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Next, 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. It is in the form of 5x, you see, 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. We will check whether our answer is true or false. You see, 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. You divide it by 20, 20 and 20. You will get x by 5 4s are 20. X by 4 plus y by 4 5s are. Y by 5 is equal to 1. 20 20 cancel. X by 4 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. This is intercept form. Remember, intercept form. What is intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. We got x by 4 and y by 5 is equal to 1. As we got x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5. What is another method whether our answer is true or false? You can find out the slope. Slope is in the form of, you see, slope, you should remember, this is very important. You have to find the slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a very important formula. If 2 points are given, what is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. When an equation is given, when ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0, what is the slope of the line? You write by is equal to minus ax minus c. Y is equal to minus ax by b plus minus c by b. See, y is equal to m, this is m, mx plus c. Here, for this one, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Slope is minus a by b, means minus x coefficient is a and y coefficient is b. Then what is y-intercept? It can be written as minus a by b. We will find out the slope of this line. That is, slope of this line minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus, what is x coefficient here? 5. What is y coefficient? 4. We will find out the y-intercept also. Minus c by b. What is c here? What is c here? Minus 20 by 4. You will get minus into minus plus. 4 5s are 20. Y-intercept will be 5. You check whether our answer is true or false. Slope is minus 5 by 4 we got, and y-intercept is 5 we got. What is the another question we have? Find the midpoint. Second question is midpoint. Suppose this is the midpoint pxy. Pxy is the midpoint. What is the formula I have to find the midpoint of this straight line? X1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. X coordinate will be x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is the y coordinate. This is x coordinate and this will be y coordinate. Remember. Now we have to find the midpoint. It is very easy. x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 plus x2 by 2. 0 plus 4 by 2. 0 plus 4 by 2 will be x coordinate and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2. 5 plus 0 by 2. 5 plus 0 by 2. Now you will get 4 by 2 and 5 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 means 2, 5 by 2 means 2.5. Midpoint will be 2, 2.5. What is third question? Points of trisection. Points of trisection means which divides a line or line segment into 3 equal parts. See this one. Let us take this as pxy and this is qzw. Like this you have to take. Now we have to find the points of trisection of this straight line qzw. See, you draw like this. It is very easy for you. Segment A and this is B. This A will be 0, 5 and B will be 4, 0. We have to divide this line segment AB into 3 equal parts. You take this as P, X, Y and you take this as Q, Z, W. P and Q, they are dividing this line segment AB into 3 equal parts. We have to find 3 equal parts. 1:1:1 ratio. Points of trisection. What is the formula for points of trisection? Pxy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now you take this as x1 y1 and this is x2 comma y2. You take x1 y1 and x2 y2. You see, already you know x1 y1, x2 y2. We are dividing this straight line into 3 equal parts. We are finding points of trisection. Now what is m1? What is m2? This is 1 ratio, 1:. You take, if you take this point, you have to take m1 is 1, m2 will be 2. 1:2 ratio you have to take. 1:2. m1, m2 you have to take 1:2. If you take this point, you have to take 2:1 ratio. Now, what is m1 here? m1 is 1 and m2 will be 2. What is m1 here? 1 into what is x2? x2 will be 4 plus what is m2 here? m2 will be 2 into what is x1 here? x1 will be 0. by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. Similarly, y coordinate m1 means 1 into y2. What is y2? x2, y2 means 0 plus m2. What is m2 here? 2 into y1. y1 will be 5 by m1 plus m2. That is 1 plus 2. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Next, 4 plus 0. 4 by 3, comma 0 plus 10 by 3, 10 by 3. Now pxy will be 4 by 3 and 10 by 3. This point will be 4 by 3 and 10 by 3. We will write 4 by 3 and 10 by 3. Next we will find out q. Same formula I have to take. Same formula we will take. We will find out q z w. I have to take same formula. M1 now M1 M2. What is M1 is to M2 will be, see, if you take this point Q, this M1 will be 2 and this will be 1. It is dividing the line segment in 2:1 ratio. I have to take 2:1. 2 into what is x2? x2 will be 4 plus what is m2? m2 will be 1. 1 into x1. 1 into 0 by m1 plus m2. 1 plus 2 plus 1. You can write 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. Next, m1 y2. Y coordinate will be m1. m1 means 2. y2 will be 0 plus m2 y1. What is m2? 1 into y1 will be 5. 1 into 5 by 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. ZW will be 8 plus 0. 8 by 3, comma 2 into 0, 0 plus 5 by 3. 5 by 3. This is QZW. QZW. This is 8 by 3, comma 5 by 3. You can check whether our answer is true or false. How to do? We have to find the distance between AP and PQ and QB. This distance must be equal to each other. Distance you find. Distance between 2 points. AP must be equal to PQ must be equal to QB. You can check whether our answer is true or false by using distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Like that you can check whether our answer is true or false. If this distance is 10, this must be 10 and also this must be 10 units. You find the ratio 1:1:1 you will get. Like that you can check whether our answer is true or false by finding the distance between 2 points. Now, what is the fourth question? X-intercept is 4, Y-intercept is 5. Then write the type of triangle formed by triangle and coordinate axis. How to find the type of triangle formed by AOB, that is straight line AB and coordinate axis, means X and Y axis. Now, triangle formed by straight line coordinate axis is a right angle. We know, but we have to prove. How can we prove whether it is a right angle triangle and isosceles triangle or right angled isosceles triangle? How can we prove? We have to find the distance between AO, OB and AB. What is the formula we have to find the distance between 2 points? That is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First we will find the distance between A and B. AB is equal to square root of, what is the formula I have? x2 minus x1 whole square means 4 minus 0 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means 0 minus 5 whole square you will get, now square root of 4 minus 0 whole square means 4 square means 16 plus 0 minus 5 square means 25. 25 plus 16, you will get root 41 units. Next you find the distance between A and O. AO is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. You think this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square means 0 minus 0 whole square. 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 0 minus 5 whole square. You will get 0 square means 0 plus minus 5 whole square means 25. You are getting root 25, that is plus or minus 5. But we have to take plus 5 because this is distance. 5 units. Now you find the distance between O and B. OB. The distance between OB. Same. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. 2 minus x1 whole square means 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. 0 minus 0 whole square. You will get 4 square means 16. Root 16 you will get plus 0. Root 16, that is nothing but plus or minus 4. But we have to take plus 4 because it is a distance 4 units. Now we have to check whether it is right angle triangle or isosceles triangle. Then what? First we will take whether it is right angle triangle or not. We know this is a right angle triangle, but again we will check whether it is right angle triangle or for right angle triangle you should remember Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? What is Pythagoras theorem? Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Now AP square must be equal to AO square plus BO square. We will check whether hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. What is hypotenuse square? Root 41 whole square. AB is root 41 whole square must be equal to, what is AO square? 5 square plus what is BO square? 4 square. We will check whether they are equal to each other or not. Root 41 means, root 41 whole square means 41 must be equal to 5 square means 25, 4 square means 16, 25 plus 16. This is LHS is 41, RHS also 41. Yes, this is right angle triangle. Like this you have to do. What is next question? Centroid. X-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5. Then find centroid of the triangle formed by the straight line and coordinate axis. What is the formula we have? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Now see x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. We have to find the centroid of the triangle. See, centroid means intersection of medians is called centroid of the triangle. What is median? Line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. This is median. And you take this midpoint, you join these two. This is the centroid GXY. This centroid divides the median in 2:1 ratio. That you should remember. Now what is the formula for centroid? X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3, and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. The x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now x1 0 plus 0 plus 4, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5 plus 0 plus 0 by 3. Next 4 by 3 and 5 by 3 is the centroid of the triangle GXY. You should remember this centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio. That you have to prove. Next, sixth problem. X-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5. Then show that the centroid divides the median in 2:1 ratio. Already we know the centroid 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. This centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio. Just you have to find the distance between 2 points. AG. What is the distance between 2 points? AG is equal to square root of, we have the distance between 2 points, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now find the distance between A and G. x2 minus x1 whole square means 4 by 3 minus 0 whole square. 4 by 3 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 will be 5 by 3 minus 5 whole square. 5 by 3 minus 5 whole square. Now 4 by 3 minus 0 means 4 by 3 whole square means 16 by 9. You have to write square root plus you take LCM. 3 is the LCM. 5 minus 15 minus 10 by 3 whole square. Now 16 by 9 plus minus 10 by 3 whole square means 100 by 9 square root. Next you take LCM. 9 is the LCM. You will get 16 plus 100. You will get root 116 by 9. It can be written as root 116 by 3. Next, find the distance between G and this is the midpoint. H you take. This as H. You have to find the distance between GH. GH is equal to, now you know G, that is 4 by 3 and 5 by 3, but you don't know H. What is H? H is nothing but midpoint of these 2 points. 0 plus 4 by 2 means 2 and 0 plus 0 by 2 means 0. This is 2, 0. We have to find the distance between 4 by 3, 5 by 3 and 2, 0. 4 by 3 minus 2 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 0 minus y, 0 minus 5 by 3 whole square. Now you take LCM. 3 is the LCM. 4 minus 6 means minus 2 by 3 whole square plus minus 5 by 3 means 25 by 9. Now minus 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9 square root of 4 by 9 plus 25 by 9 is equal to, you will get 9 is the LCM. 4 plus 25, that is 29. Root 29 by 9 units, because this is distance. This is also units. Now we have to prove centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio. AG is to GH. AG is to GH. What is AG? AG will be root 116 by 3 is to root 29 by 9 means root 9 means 3. 3 cancel. You will get root 116 is to root 29. This root 169 can be written as 4 into 29. Root 4 into 29 is to root 29. How much you got? I will do with red pen. How much you got? AG is to GH. You got root 4 means 2. 2 root 29. 2 root 29 is to, already we have root 29. Root 29 cancel. Root 29 cancel. You will get 2 is to 1. As centroid divides the median in 2 is to 1 ratio. Like this you have to do. You should have concepts and formulas so that it is very easy to do the problem. Now what is the last question? X-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 5. Then find the area of the triangle formed by the straight line and coordinate axis. Already you know the area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? You have many formulas. Half into base into height. Half into, what is the base here? Base is 4 into, what is the height of the triangle? 5 is equal to half into 4 5s are 20. You will get 2 1s are 2 10s are. You will get 10 square units. You have many methods. Root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. You have that formula also. You can find out the area of the triangle. In coordinate geometry, we have the formula half into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3. Remember 1, 2, 3 plus x2 into 2, 3 means y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. Half into, what is x1 here? 0. 0 into y2 minus y3. 0 minus 0 plus what is x2? x2 will be 0 into y3 minus y1 means y3 is 0. 0 minus 5 plus what is x3? 4 into y1 minus y2. 5 minus 0 square units. Now half into 0 into 0 0, 0 into minus 5 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 1s are 2 10s are. You will get 10 square units. You have to take 10 square units because area will be in positive. Now the area of the triangle formed by the straight line and coordinate axis will be 10 square units.